Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time of coming across my video, this is Glory of Glory Family Love, and today guys I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple recipe of how that we who live in Europe, we actually find it difficult to get authentic food, or we find it difficult to make authentic native food from Africa, guys. So I found a way to make your akara fluffy and looks like the original, even though it's still not like the one we pound in the mortar and whisk with our hand, but there is a way to make it quick and easy for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my akara fluffy and delicious like the original. Okay guys, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment what you think, if you're going to try this or if you already know about it, and I will be here ready to answer all your messages. Thank you and keep watching, and don't forget to let me know what you think about this. Okay, keep watching. So guys, I'm going to be starting with, akara is very simple. Just my washed beans and my diced pepper, my fresh onions, which I'm not going to be blending with it. I'm just going to blend the beans first, and then I will be adding this. I will whisk it together with my veggies, which is my onions and my scotch bonnet pepper. So I have my blender, my pepper, my salt, my onions, my whisk that's gonna be doing the magic, and my fresh washed beans. So let's get started right now. So I'm gonna be blending the beans first, and then I'll get back to you guys. Keep watching.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door, one thing